Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to set custom ringtone for iPhone. It means using any song as iPhone ringtone, without purchase. Let me show you my custom ringtones. This first 3 ringtones, created by me. Now, I am going to show you how to add downloaded song for this ringtone area. First we need to download a song. What you like to use as ringtone. I loves to use music from NCS. But you are free to use any music. This is the song I am going to use my new ringtone. Let me download it first. It's downloaded. For next step, we need an app. It's named GarageBand. We can find it pre-installed in latest version iPhone. But we can download it from App Store too. Its interface look like this. Now click this icon to load. We download song before. Now click this button too. Then select Files. Select Browse items from the files. Select Download folder. Now, find your downloaded song. This is the song I have downloaded before. Click it. After few seconds it's appear here. Drag the song for layer. After adding this song we can crop to favorite part, but in this video I am not going to show how crop a song. Now we should export this song as a ringtone. For export this song press this icon. Now you will see an option as my song. Select my song option. Then your song will export as my song. I have created ringtones before. Therefore you can see many music files. However it should be my last song. Its names as my song 4. Is this your first time? It should be named as my song. Now let's export it. Hold press on song file. Now click share icon. Then you can see 3 options. Select ringtone option. Now we can rename it. Then export it. It's successfully exported. You can use this song from here. Let's find out. This music file appear in my ringtone list. Select setting. And find sound app haptics. Then select ringtones. See, my song appear here. This is the tutorial. Just comment me below after trying this. Does it work for you? Or not? Subscribe me to watch future videos. Thank you. See you again.